Today is finally the day. Hello, today is a big day. I'm eating my lunch right now because I'm actually working from home because I have an appointment in a little bit, but I'm just finishing up or I'm about to have a conference call in 5 minutes. So I'm just trying to start eating, and then I don't need to talk the whole time on the conference call, so I'll just put myself on mute and finish eating. But as you can see, it's a disaster behind me. I'm packing. I have an appointment to drop off the rest of my down payment and sign all my paperwork. Oh, I'm getting a phone call from the paint store. One moment. Hello, Rachel speaking.
I'm just calling to let you know your wallpaper has arrived.
Oh, perfect. What time do you close today?
We close at 6.
Okay. I'll try to make it there today.
If not, we're open till 5 on Saturday.
Okay, I will be there.
Okay, great, no problem.
Thank you. Perfect. My wallpaper's in. Oh my god, I didn't tell you I'm doing a faux brick wall in my bedroom, in my new bedroom. I have a bedroom in this in this condo. This one clearly is a studio. So what was I saying? Yeah, so I have a conference call in 4 minutes, and then I am going to sign the rest of my paperwork, and then I get my keys on Saturday. Today is Tuesday. This is the biggest adult thing I've ever done in my life, so I wanted to document it. Trying to make it all work. I have a lot of things on the go at work right now. Just trying to be superwoman. That's casual. I guess what I'm eating here is I meal prepped on Sunday. Honestly, this was like a lazy meal, but I love it. Fills me up, some carbs, a little bit of protein, some vegetables. It's a pasta salad with, I've definitely made this on my channel before. I'll link that video below. Pasta salad, feta cheese. It's dressed with like an olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon, oregano dressing, cucumbers, chickpeas, red pepper, and tomatoes. It's just delicious. I wanted to make soup this week because I'm not feeling well, but that was a lot more work than this. And at least I could meal prep a bunch of this. It's in the fridge, it's ready, it was easy. So I'm like packing and trying to get my life together. So my wallpaper, okay. I need to hop on my conference call in 3 minutes, but I will quickly tell you, I need to return. So I ordered from wayfair.ca this really pretty faux brick wallpaper, but the color in person was not like the website. It wasn't horrible, but it just wasn't, I wasn't completely happy with it. So then I ended up ordering a similar wallpaper, but more like cool toned what I wanted instead of the one that let me just show you, it's right here. I wrapped it up so that I wouldn't ruin it because I need to send it back. It's really cool. I really like it. It's just I was expecting a little bit more cool toned, and it's a little bit slightly more warm toned. My mom really liked it, but you know, I'm really picky. It's really pretty. Look how pretty that is. But well, I'm standing in front of a window, so it's not gonna show up true color. It's pretty, but it's slightly more off-white, and the like details are a little bit more brown than dark gray. Color scheme of my new bedroom is like very cool tones, like cool whites, light gray, and dark gray. So this was just like, I wasn't completely happy with it. So sending this back, I ordered 2 rolls, and then clearly for my phone call, my new wallpaper is ready for pickup. So I'm gonna try to get there today and pick it up. All right, time to take my conference call. We'll talk soon.
Please enter your conference access code followed by the pound key. Thank you. If you are the chairperson, please press the star key now. Otherwise, stay on the line.
Hello.
Hi there. Who's on the line?
It's Rachel.
Hey Rachel, how are ya?
I'm good. How are you doing? Outside, but I just finished officially signing all my paperwork, and now I am going to pick up my wallpaper. I'll try to show you guys if I can like open it. I'm so excited. Whoops. She just dropped my light bulbs. So mom and I are buying light bulbs, but we just came across the Christmas section and everything is rose gold. It would look so pretty with my tree. But we got all the light bulbs that I need for my chandeliers. These are stunning. I really like everything by this Canvas brand. I'm so excited to put my Christmas tree. These are the light bulbs I need. This is what home ownership is like. So 6 of these. And then I only need 2 of these, but it's a way better deal to get 4, and then I'll have replacements. Today is finally the day that I get my keys, so I'm just packing up a few things right now, like cleaning products, gloves, and food and stuff that I've packed for the weekend, because we're going to go over there now to my new place, and my family's en route. We're going to pop some champagne to celebrate, and then we're gonna start cleaning and doing renos. So cleaning the kitchen, but then renos are like painting, installing light fixtures, pot lights, and ripping up the carpet and installing my wallpaper. So that's what's happening this weekend. It's gonna be a long one. Thank you so much to my family for helping me, because we have a tight timeline in between. I think I have 5 days of overlap. So today's the 26th and I need to be out of here by the 31st. So 26th, we're gonna start renos, which it's already, what time is it? It is 7:40 right now, and we're gonna start. Let the journey begin. It's official! I'm officially inside. And we just finished unloading a ton of stuff, but I thought this was probably the only opportunity. Andrea's here.
Hi everybody.
Woo! I thought this was probably the only opportunity I have to do an empty apartment tour, even though now there's a bunch of stuff in it. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the door, and when you first walk in, we have these dark floors, which I really love because they have like a whitewash on top. And then, ignore this. We're gonna be painting and doing a little bit of reno. So then on the right side here, we have the kitchen, which I fell in love with because not only is it like the colors that I love, but I like the shape of it too. And for a small apartment, there's actually a ton of cabinet space. So I'm really excited, and the countertops are really pretty too. So I have my dishwasher, my sink here. It hangs over so that I can put stools and eat there. And then it's 9-foot ceilings, although I think that part is 8 feet, but this part is 9 feet. And then we have some light fixtures. I'm gonna be adding some pendant lights here that are gonna be really pretty. And we're painting. Backsplash, a ton of cabinet space. Then we got the oven and stove here, microwave, more cabinets, and the fridge, which there's nothing inside just yet. Then, across from the kitchen, when you first walk in the door, we have a hall closet. Really simple, just a coat closet. And then on this side is the laundry. So we have stacking washer dryer. Here is the washroom. So again, just like white finishes. There's a mirror, light fixtures. I am probably gonna put a hanging cabinet here so that I can organize like my makeup and stuff. And then the shower. So it is only a shower, not a bathtub, but I don't have a bathtub at my current place, and I honestly don't take baths, so I'm perfectly fine with that.
CN Tower view.
There's a CN Tower view. I'll show you with in the daylight sometime. So then moving into this area, this is my first time being here at night, and you can definitely tell that we need some help with lighting. So the plan is to install pot lights on this like bulkhead here. Renault is here. Aww. And my mom and my brother. So then here is the living room. So that's just off the kitchen. Living room. And this is potentially dining space. I don't think I'm gonna put a table. And then finally over here we have the bedroom. So currently it's carpeted, and you can tell that it badly needs to be replaced. So we're gonna do that. But how exciting! I have a bedroom and a door. And a bedroom door. So this is pretty much the bedroom. That was the door we just walked in through. And the closet. Really simple, and it's a blank canvas all ready to be decorated. This is the wall that I'm planning to do the faux brick wall on. I'm so excited. So I know that was super simple. It's only a 1-bedroom apartment, so there's not too much to show you, but I'm really excited to start decorating and show you guys kind of the transformation of this place. The before, right now, and the after. Merlot, you're so cute, my baby. You're here visiting.
Inspecting.
You're so cute. What do you think of the carpet, Merlot? It's gotta go. It's dirty.
It's Andrea and Mark.
You gotta pop it though, open it on your own.
Ooh, it's cute.
It's coming. Ready?
Cheers, congratulations. Lots of happiness.
Yay.
Cheers. Cheers. Merlot, cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, my family.
Congrats.
These are my wonderful pendant lights that are gifts of my favorite people. Mark wave. Thank you. He's pretending to watch TV. We just brought him for entertainment purposes. He's not actually doing anything. Yeah, but I was very grateful for my family. We're cleaning the fridge. These are now squeaky clean.
That one that you gave
We're
us
still working
lasted
on this.
Pretty much up until we installed the fixture. Wow.
Cleaning is happening. Okay, so something really funny just happened. No, I'm talking with the vlog. So my mom brought a box of Pepsi, and I went to pull a can out because I'm gonna put them in the fridge. This one has never been opened, but it's empty because there's a hole in the bottom. But it doesn't seem to have leaked anywhere. So it came like this. That's so weird. Let's open it. Let's open the can. Open the empty can. My little sleeping beauty. My second sleeping beauty. She's tired. I'm so excited for my little home. It's so cute. More to come.